Welcome back to the channel. Just a quick unboxing video here. I was at the store and they had a bunch of these in stock, so check it out. If you're looking for one of these, this is a SUREFIRE Blast Regulator, or the Warden as it's called. So here you can see here on the front of the package, a example picture, some of the icons involved with the features. It is designed to attach to SUREFIRE SOCOM series suppressor adapters. So there are a whole bunch of those. Some pricing information there, some safety warnings, contact information at the time, and again those icons there. Let's go ahead and get this open. Plain bottom, plain top with the SUREFIRE logo. This just hangs on the display rack. A little bit of wrapping there. Instruction packet. Let's just make sure if there's any restrictions. There's even a new product kind of teaser catalog there with some other items that are available from SUREFIRE. Check them out. Large variety of items. And the user manual, patent information, quick attach, warranty information there. And let's take a look at the item itself. Now, due to restrictions, I'm not going to show this actually attaching to anything, but you can see basically you have a tension spring lever here, which allows you to manipulate the collar, which will then control the tension fit on the attachment itself. You can see here is basically just a large flow-through device, and it basically sends noise in one direction from here to there. So thus a blast regulator or warden. So again, without actually attaching this to anything, you can see here's the markings on here actually. Pretty cool. Due to restrictions, again, not going to show this being attached to anything because AI will automatically flag that. But this is an example of the SUREFIRE Blast Regulator Warden. This was in stock, plenty of them at the store I went to, so feel free to check it out. This has been another unboxing or show and tell video. Feel free to check out the show and tell and unboxing videos in channel. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.